Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I love this running vest. I just came back from a run and this is leaking. Hopefully it's something we can fix or DIY. Let's do some research. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's this bite valve that ripped here. I always buy from the official website. So this Hydrapak, 2 of them is $7, but I'm gonna roll the dice and try this random brand where I get 5 for $9. The part here looks pretty good. I don't see any problems with that. So I think I just need the plastic part. Let's place an order. Moment of truth. This is the one that I bit through. I'm able to twist and pull that part off pretty easily. The official website came with this blue piece inside. I didn't see anything wrong with mine, so didn't see a reason having to buy this. So I only bought this. The random ones from Amazon is a little bit more opaque and not as translucent. Let's see if it fits. Okay, looks pretty good. Get it on here. We're gonna fill this with water and test it out. Kind of surprised it works. Super easy DIY. The old one would have a slow drip. Didn't matter if it was on the close or open. Every time I bent over or put pressure on this bladder, it would squeeze a little water out of here. The bite feels definitely harder. So I think over time, the old one just started to lose a little elasticity and didn't fit as well. For now, video 321 done.